So we'll look at some variations of frogs on the chair. So our setup here is heels together and toes apart on the balls of the feet. Hands by your side. You slide yourself off the seat of the chair and begin pumping for frogs. Just a slow and steady tempo, and then coming so that you lift the right leg off to the side to do one-legged variation. Doing 5 to 8 and then switching. And then slide back so that you have a seat to rest and transition into frogs with dips. So now, keeping the heels squeezed to the seat, you simply bend and straighten the elbows for the tricep dip. And then doing a one-leg variation as we did for the frogs as well. Squeezing the left heel to the seat, opening the right leg to the side. A graceful transition, squeezing the right heel to the seat. 4 to 8 on each leg is just plenty. And then again, having a seat after you are done. And then transitioning to the reverse frogs. Heels together, toes apart, hands on the chair. Navel over the seat, bending and straightening the legs with a vigorous tempo. Working to keep a tail curled under. Knees go outside the seat, and then holding a frog position to bend and straighten the elbows for tricep frogs again. And just remember, you're on a standard spring setting for feet on the pedal, which should be one top and one bottom depending on the chair you're using. And then for tabletop, parallel on the pedal, feet slightly apart, high heels, pumping the pedal vigorously, heels toward the seat, and then trying a variation of heels together and toes apart, pulling the heels to the seat. Hips are over the edge of the chair, weight is slightly over the pedal, and then transitioning into a one-legged version. Just a few on each leg is plenty. It's a vigorous pumping tempo. Once both feet are back on the pedal, have a seat to transition.